how to fix Temu coupons not working and easy. Hello everyone! Before we begin, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tech guides. Today I'm going to show you simple, step-by-step solutions to fix Temu coupons when they're not working, all safe and compliant with Temu's policies. Let's get started. First, make sure the coupon is still valid. Some coupons expire quickly, so check the date and terms in your Temu app. If it's expired, it simply won't apply. Second, verify the minimum spend or product requirements. Some coupons only work on specific items or only when you reach a certain order amount. Make sure your cart meets those rules before checkout. Third, check that the coupon is applicable to the items in your cart. Some offers only work on certain categories or brands. If you're trying to use it on unsupported items, Temu won't accept it. Fourth, ensure the coupon is properly added. Go to your Temu cart, scroll down to the coupon section, and tap to apply it. If it doesn't show there, try closing and reopening the app. Fifth, sometimes the app needs a refresh. Close the Temu app completely and reopen it. Then go back to your cart and try applying the coupon again. Sixth, clear the app cache phone, offload app/Android, clear cache from settings, or log out and log back in. This can fix temporary glitches that prevent coupons from working. Seventh, if none of that works, try updating the Temu app to the latest version from your app store because outdated versions can cause issues at checkout. Pro tip: before placing your order, double-check your cart and coupon one last time. Sometimes applying coupons earlier in the checkout process works better than adding them at the final step. So today, you learned how to troubleshoot Temu coupons that aren't applying, step by step, safely and correctly. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments which coupon issue you had so others can learn too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.